today's world, our phones are more than just a communication device. They are our lifelines to the rest of the world. They give us access to the internet, social media, and a whole host of other features and functions. With all of this power at our fingertips, it's no wonder that more and more people are looking for ways to make money on their phones. There are a number of apps and websites that allow you to do just that. In this video, we'll show you 10 ways to make money on your phone. From taking surveys to selling products and services, there are a number of ways to earn some extra cash with your phone. So if you're looking for ways to make a little extra money, be sure to watch the full video. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. If you're looking for an easy way to make some extra cash, taking surveys may be the perfect solution. There are a number of different apps and websites that allow you to take surveys in exchange for money, and we've rounded up some of the best options. Inbox is one of the most popular survey apps, and it offers a wide variety of ways to earn money, including taking surveys, reading emails, completing offers, playing games, and shopping online. Once you reach their minimum threshold, you can cash out with a check or gift card. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐞 is another popular option. With over 11 million users, you'll need to create an account to start receiving surveys, and you must be a citizen of the USA and 16 years or older. With 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐞, you earn points for every survey you take, which you can then cash out for PayPal, e-gift cards, or direct bank transfer. So if you're looking for an easy way to make some extra cash, taking surveys is a great option. There are a number of different apps and websites to choose from, so you can pick the one that best suits your needs. With the world increasingly moving towards freelancing, more and more people are now preferring to work from home. If you're looking to join the freelance revolution, here are 2 great apps to get you started. Fiverr is a great option for freelancers of all stripes, with categories including graphic design, web development, translation, copywriting, social media marketing, and more. All you need to do is sign up and create a profile, then start creating gigs ads for your services. When creating a gig, be sure to include information like delivery time, revisions, and your rate. Upwork is another great option for freelancers, with a wide range of services on offer, from programming and web development to mobile development, graphic design, writing, and more. You can join Upwork for free, and freelancers are typically paid on time and via direct deposit, PayPal, or wire transfer. You can also choose to be paid hourly or by milestone. So whether you're looking to make a little extra money on the side or build a full-fledged freelance career, these 2 apps are a great place to start. Fetch Rewards is a great way to make money by simply taking pictures of your receipts from everyday purchases. You can redeem your points for gift cards from popular stores such as Target, Amazon, Walmart, and more. The best part is that there is no minimum threshold, so you can cash out your rewards as soon as you earn them. In addition to earning money from receipts, you can also make money by playing games online. There are a number of apps that allow you to do this, and you can even earn points that can be redeemed for real cash prizes. So if you're looking for a fun and easy way to make some extra money, be sure to check out Fetch Rewards and start playing games for cash. Current Rewards. With Current Rewards, you can make money by listening to music and playing games. You can select from 100,000 radio stations to listen to your favorite music and can choose from a large collection of games to play. You can also earn by watching short videos and completing surveys. There is also an option to earn cash back. So if you're looking to earn some extra cash, these apps are definitely worth checking out. With so many different options, you're sure to find one that suits your interests and skills. So what are you waiting for? Start earning today. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.